I'm bringing the hair from this side to the middle of the dread. I'm not pulling the needle all the way out, because if I do, I'm just gonna break the hair and I don't want that. You see what I'm saying? You got it? Okay, cool. So look, I'm basically pulling the hair. What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Luis, 25 Locs, man. I'm back with another video, guys. Like you guys saw on the title, today I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix the end of Dreadlocks. If you see this one right here, look kinda puffy, and this one too, I got like 3 with this problem. I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix that. You see how it look kinda puffy and all that. So we're gonna work on that now. You feel me? Alright guys, so with that being said, man, let's go ahead and get into the video. I got my crochet needle right here. You know that's what I use. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. This is what I use to fix my dreadlocks. You see what I'm saying? I should have brought the one which is only one needle, single needle, but I forgot in the shop, so I'm gonna use this because I wanna make this video today. I wanna make this video today for you guys. Alright, so let's get it. We're gonna fix that. You see how puffy it look? I don't want that. Like literally. I don't want that. I got like 3 dreadlocks without issues that I'm gonna fix that today. Okay guys, so look, man, just pay attention to what I'm about to do. Pay attention what I'm about to do with the locks. So look, I wanna fix this because first of all, I don't want my dread in the back look like that. You see it's kinda puffy, like it's not even locked. So from here to here, it's not locked. So what I'm gonna do is, just pay attention. I'm gonna bend it. You feel? That's what I'm about to do. Most people gonna say like, why you just don't crochet right there? I don't want to, cause I want the end to be strong, to not break down. You see what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna bend it like this. Boom. I'm gonna bend it like that, right? You see, I want this to be the end. I'm gonna bend it. Now I'm gonna use the crochet needle work slowly, cause you have to go slow with the needle, cause you don't want to stop yourself. You see what I'm saying? So once I got it like that, bend it. You feel me? I'm gonna introduce my needle little by little. You see what I'm saying? Like I told you guys, face it now. See the needle right there? Face it now. Okay, cool. So I do it like this, and I'm bringing the hair from this side to the middle of the dread. I'm not pulling the needle all the way out, because if I do, I'm just gonna break the hair and I don't want that. You see what I'm saying? You got it? Okay, cool. So look, I'm basically pulling the hair from this side to the middle of the dread. That's what I'm doing. You see it? Okay, cool. Thank you. That's what I'm doing, guys. I'm fixing the end. I want my hair to be strong. Another thing, guys, man, go ahead and follow me on my IG, Luis25Locs. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for always being there. Thank you for the love that you guys been showing me on my last videos. Thank you for that, man. Appreciate you guys. What's going on with my eyes, man? I don't know. There is always something going on. Alright. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Now my eyes is wiry. That's crazy. So I'm not done yet, but just like you can see how I'm doing it, how it look. I'm pretty much done for real. So that's what I'm doing, guys. I'm just crocheting the end of the dreadlocks. Another thing, guys, I'm trying my best to drop video at least once a week, but I don't know what's going on with my time. My time's passing by so fast that sometimes I'll be like, damn, today's Thursday already, Friday. And yesterday we was Monday. I don't know if it is only me or it is happening to you guys too, but the time's flying for me. So I'm trying my best, guys, to even to go ahead and drop. Another thing, guys, I got a sneaker page on my IG. Y'all go ahead and check it out. The name is Luis Got 'em. I'm basically like showing the new releases. I'm basically just showing my shoes, my collection shoes, what I got. I'm into that business right now. I'm collecting shoes, sorry shoes. So y'all go ahead and check it out and follow me. You see what I'm saying? And thank you for everything, guys. Appreciate you. You see, I'm almost done with this end right here. You feel me? I'm not done yet because I really wanna make it look good. I don't wanna break the hair. So you gotta be patient, because like you are dealing with your own hair. And if you don't know how to use the crochet needle, which is the main reason that I'm showing you guys this, you're gonna break the hair. And you don't wanna break your own hair. So I'm basically going slow, taking my time. You see what I'm saying? To show you guys how I do my thing. You feel me? Another thing, guys, that I want to tell y'all, there are so many people asking me in the comment, like, where am I from? I'm from Dominican Republic. You feel me? I'm Dominican, from Dominican Republic. I speak Spanish. And if you guys want me to make a video in Spanish, so y'all see how I talk, how I speak, you feel me? Hold on. You feel me? I'm Dominican. Man, just let me know. You're free. I'm just playing with y'all. Anyway, guys. So you see, I'm almost done. I'm almost done with these locks. I'm gonna finish up. You see how basically I'm rubbing my finger like that. Like I'm rubbing it in when I got the needle and crochet. That's what I'll be doing with these locks. You see, guys, this one is finished. Y'all let me know how it look, how I did. Y'all let me know how I did. You feel? So I like it, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. If you got any question, let me know right here in the comment, or go to my page, Luis25 Locs. Follow me on my sneaker page, Luis Got 'em. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give me the like. Say whatever you want to say down there. I'm reading. And another thing, guys, if you're in Louisville, Kentucky, and you want to have your hair combined, you want to have your wigs, you want to crochet your locks, like you want to fix something in your hair, just hit me up on my IG. I got you. And let's get into business. Thank you for real. And I love you guys so much.